Hi, dear. Welcome back to Timeless Wisdom. Have you ever wondered how the world's top hotels keep their rooms looking spotless, inviting, and so relaxing? There are actually some simple, clever secrets behind that perfect hotel atmosphere. And the best part is, you can use these same ideas to upgrade your own home, no matter your budget. For decades, hotel experts have relied on practical methods, not pricey gadgets or fancy tools, but easy steps anyone can follow to create spaces that always feel organized, peaceful, and luxurious. It's not about expensive products. It's about smart routines that make a real difference. Stick with me till the end of this video, and you'll discover how to bring that 5-star feeling right into your home. The strategies I'm about to share can completely transform the way you care for your space and enjoy everyday life. Let's get started. Tip 1. The 5-minute rule. In luxury hotels, there is a sacred rule that very few people know about. It's called the 5-minute rule, and it completely revolutionizes the way we keep our spaces tidy. The problem that most of us face is the feeling that cleaning and organizing our homes is a huge task that takes up hours of our day. So we end up putting it off, letting things pile up until the situation gets out of control. But hotel professionals have discovered something fascinating. They realize that 5 minutes of focused attention on a space makes more of a difference than an hour of disorganized cleaning. The technique works like this. As soon as you enter any room in the house, dedicate exactly 5 minutes to doing just 3 things. First, pick up everything that is out of place and put it back in its correct place. Second, quickly wipe down visible surfaces with a slightly damp cloth. Third, adjust cushions, curtains, or any decorative items that are out of place. For example, when you wake up in the morning, before even having breakfast, spend 5 minutes cleaning your room. Make your bed, put your clothes away, and dust your nightstand. When you get home from work, spend another 5 minutes in the living room. Put away remote controls, adjust couch cushions, and give your coffee table a quick tidy. The benefits are impressive. Your home will always be presentable for unexpected guests. You'll never feel overwhelmed by cleaning again. And most importantly, you'll create an environment that exudes peace and tranquility for you and your family. Tip 2. The secret of layering aroma. Have you ever noticed how luxury hotels always have an unmistakable scent that makes you feel good the moment you walk in? This is neither a coincidence nor luck. There's a science behind this, called the aroma layering technique. The big problem we face at home is trying to solve the smell of the environment with just one product or technique. We use an electric air freshener and hope it solves everything, but the result is never as satisfactory as we want. Hotels do it differently. They work with 3 distinct layers of aroma that complement each other. The first layer is the base, which eliminates unwanted odor. The second layer is the main aroma, which defines the personality of the environment. The third layer is the subtle touches that create emotional memories. I will teach you how to apply this in your home. For the first layer, use baking soda on carpets and sofas, leave it to act for 30 minutes, and vacuum. This neutralizes odors that we often don't even notice. For the second layer, choose a scent that you really like and use it consistently. This can be done through candles, diffusers, or scented sachets. The important thing is to always maintain the same scent to create an identity. For the third layer, add special touches at specific times. A few drops of essence in the water used to iron clothes, a scented sachet in the linen closet, or a few mint leaves in the vacuum cleaner. The benefits of this technique go beyond the pleasant smell. You create an environment that people associate with well-being. Your home gains its own identity, and you develop a sense of pride every time someone compliments the smell of your home. Tip 3. The line of sight technique. This is one of the most powerful techniques that hotel designers use to create that sense of visual perfection that impresses any guest. The problem that most of us have at home is not knowing where to start when we want to make a room look more organized and beautiful. We try to tidy everything at once, and the end result doesn't have the visual impact we expected. The line of sight technique solves this brilliantly. It works like this. When you enter any room, identify what your eyes see first. There are usually three main points, the central point of the room, such as a coffee table or bed, the highest point, such as shelves or the top of cabinets, and the point closest to the entrance, which is the first visual impression. In hotels, these 3 points are always impeccable because they know that they are the ones that determine the overall impression of the space. Let me give you a practical example. In the living room, the central point is usually the coffee table. Keep only 3 items on it at most. This could be a vase with flowers, a decorative tray, and a beautiful book. The highest point could be shelves arrange objects in odd groups, leaving empty spaces between them. The focal point near the entrance could be a sideboard or console table place, only one striking decorative piece, such as a mirror or painting. For the bedroom, the focal point is the bed. Always keep it made with neatly lined cushions. The next focal point could be the wardrobe. Avoid piling objects on top of it. Another focal point could be a chair or dresser. Always keep it free of strewn clothes. The benefits are immediate. Your space gains a professional visual impact. You save time by focusing only on what really matters. And you create a sense of order that positively influences your mood and productivity. Before continuing, if you are enjoying these tips, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell so you don't miss any new content. And tell me in the comments where you are watching from. I love to know where you are from. Now let's move on to the next tip that will change your perspective on organization. Tip 4. The immediate replacement system. Luxury hotels never run out of anything. Towels, toiletries, toilet prepare, everything is always available when the guest needs it. This doesn't happen by magic, but rather by a very intelligent system that you can perfectly adapt to your home. The problem we face is always running out of something at the wrong time. We run out of detergent just when we need to wash the dishes. We run out of toilet paper when we have guests over. We run out of soap in the middle of a shower. These situations cause stress and disrupt our routine. The immediate replenishment system works with a simple but powerful rule. For each essential item in the house, you always keep 3 units zone in use, 1 in reserve and 1 in stock. When the 1 in use runs out, you immediately put the reserve in its place and buy a new one for stock. Let's put this into practice. In the bathroom, always have 3 tubes of toothpaste stone on the counter in use, 1 in the cupboard as a reserve and 1 stored as stock. When the 1 on the counter runs out, take the reserve, put it back, and buy another to replenish the stock. In the kitchen, keep 3 bottles of detergent tone in the sink, 1 under the sink, and 1 in the cleaning supplies cabinet. In the laundry area, 3 packages of washing powder, following the same logic. For perishable products like toilet paper or napkins, the rule is a little different. Always keep an extra package in addition to the one you are using. When you open the last roll or pack of the current package, buy a new one. The benefits of this system are extraordinary. You will never run out of anything at the wrong time. You will save money by buying on sale instead of when you urgently need it. You will drastically reduce the stress of unexpected situations, and you will always keep your home running smoothly like a quality hotel. Tip 5. The nightly reset rule. Every luxury hotel goes through a process called a nightly reset. This is when they prepare each room to welcome guests the next day as if it were the first time. This technique, adapted for the home, can completely transform your quality of life and the feeling you have when you wake up each morning. The problem that many of us face is waking up in a room that is already messy from the day before, clothes thrown on the chair, dishes in the sink, objects scattered around the house. This affects our mood and energy right at the start of the day. The nightly reset solves this by creating a 15-minute ritual before going to bed that prepares your home for the next day. It works like this. In the last 15 minutes before going to bed, you take a tour of the house following a specific sequence. Start in the kitchen, wash all the dishes or put them in the dishwasher, clean the counter and sink. Put away anything that is out of place, And prepare the coffee maker for the next day if you drink coffee in the morning. Go to the living room, put away remote controls in the right places, adjust the sofa cushions, pick up objects that were used during the day, and make the room as if you were going to receive guests. In the bedroom, prepare the next day's clothes, put dirty clothes in the hamper, organize the bedside table, and adjust the pillows on the bed. In the bathroom, put toiletries in the right places, hang towels properly, and give the counter a quick wipe down. The most important thing is to do this at the same time and in the same sequence every day to create an automatic habit. Imagine waking up every day to a house that looks like it was organized by a professional team. The benefits are incredible. You start the day with positive energy, save time in the morning because everything is already in its place, reduce the stress of looking for things, and develop a sense of control over your environment that positively impacts your entire routine. Tip 6. The secret to shiny surfaces. One of the most striking features of luxury hotels is how all surfaces always seem to shine mirrors. Faucets, countertops, everything has a shine that conveys cleanliness and sophistication. This is not the result of expensive products or special equipment, but rather of a specific technique that you can easily master. The mistake we make at home is to only clean surfaces when they are visibly dirty. But in hotels, cleaning is preventative. Not corrective, they keep surfaces shiny before they lose their shine. The technique consists of 3 simple steps that take less than 2 minutes per surface. First, remove all dirt or residue with a slightly damp cloth. Second, apply the appropriate cleaning product for that specific surface. Third, and this is the Secretaways finish with a dry, clean cloth using circular motions. For mirrors and glass, use water with a few drops of white vinegar and finish with a dry microfiber cloth. For faucets and metals, a little white toothpaste removes stains and leaves an incredible shine. For stone countertops, just water and mild soap, always drying completely afterwards. For wooden surfaces, a cloth with a few drops of olive oil will nourish them and give them a natural shine. The secret is consistency. Do this twice a week on each surface, always on the same day, for example, Mondays and Thursdays for the bathrooms, Tuesdays and Fridays for the kitchen. In no time, you'll notice that your home has that professional shine that impresses anyone. The benefits go beyond appearance. Well, maintained surfaces last much longer. You prevent damage that will be expensive to repair. You create an environment that conveys care and attention to detail, and you develop a genuine pride in your home. Before I move on to the next tip, I want to tell you about something special. I prepared for those who want to go beyond this video. It's a complete guide with organization secrets that completely transform my home and can transform yours too. The link is in the pinned comment, and for a limited time, I'm offering a special discount for channel subscribers. Now, let's continue with the last tip, which is one of my favorites. Tip 7. The custom environment technique. This last tip is perhaps the most powerful of all because it deals with what really makes the difference between a regular house and a home that exudes personality and warmth. Luxury hotels know that each guest is unique, so they create environments that make each person feel special and welcome. You can apply this same philosophy to your home in a very clever way. The problem that many people face is having a home that seems generic without its own personality. They copy decorations from magazines or follow trends, but the end result does not convey who they really are. The personalized environment technique solves this by creating spaces that tell your story and reflect your tastes in an elegant way. It works based on 3 main elements. First, identify your favorite colors and use shades of those colors in at least 3 points of each room. This can be through pillows, paintings, vases, or other decorative objects. Second, include objects that have personal meaning to you. Special photo, a book that has marked your life, an object that was given to you by a loved one. Third, create a scent that is your personal signature, something that people associate with your home. Let me give you a practical example. If your favorite color is blue, put blue pillows on your couch, a blue vase on your dining table, and a blue towel in your bathroom. If you like to read, keep some special books on display in strategic places. If you have a photo of your family that you love, put it in a beautiful frame in a prominent place. For the scent, maybe you like use cinnamon candles or place cinnamon sticks in a decorative container. The important thing is that everything has a personal reason, not just decoration for decoration's sake. The benefits of this technique are profound. You create an environment that truly represents who you are. People feel more connected to you when they visit your home. You develop a genuine sense of pride and belonging in your home, and you transform your home into a haven that nourishes your soul and well-being. Final thoughts. You've just discovered 7 time-tested secrets that luxury hotels use to create stunning, comfortable space, and now these simple techniques are yours to try at home. From the 5-minute refresh to thoughtful scent layering, from creating instant visual impact to making sure you never run out of essentials, each of these habits is designed to make your everyday environment feel a little more special. You don't need a big budget or fancy products to make your home feel like a 5-star retreat. Just pick 1 or 2 of these methods and start today. Over time, you'll notice your space becoming more welcoming, more peaceful, and more you. Small changes add up, and the magic is in consistency. Thank you so much for spending your time with us at Timeless Wisdom. If you found these tips helpful, please subscribe to our channel and tap the bell icon so you never miss our next video. Drop a comment below and let me know which technique will you try first. Your feedback inspires us and helps build a community where everyone's home can become their sanctuary. Remember, true comfort doesn't come from perfection, but from the little steps you take to create a space that supports and celebrates you. Wishing you peace, joy, and a home you love. See you in the next video.